Today, I'm going to talk about the LEVOLOR InMotion program. LEVOLOR InMotion is a robust motorization program that offers a wide range of solutions, from simple push-button motorization to advanced smart home integration. For those who like to keep things simple, we offer a handheld remote and wall-mounted remote switch. Both remotes work with the push of a button, have 15 available channels, and can be used together or on their own. They can also sync with smart technology for a more sophisticated operating experience, and are available for all LEVOLOR motorized blind and shade categories. Note that the wall switch is not compatible with motorized top-down bottom-up cellular shades. For those who like to keep up with the latest technology, the LEVOLOR InMotion app and Wi-Fi hub are the perfect choice. Control shades remotely using the app, or utilize advanced features like scheduling and scenes for a truly automated experience. The LEVOLOR InMotion app and Wi-Fi hub integrate seamlessly with existing smart home technology like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Samsung SmartThings, IFTTT, and Siri, and is available for all LEVOLOR motorized blinds and shades. For those that are interested in basic motorization, the LEVOLOR InMotion wand is a great simplified solution. The wand has easy-to-use controls for raising and lowering, as well as a function to send the shade to a preset favorite position. It has a simple, rechargeable battery control system, is available in 5 complementary finishes, and offered in sizes ranging from 12 to 60 inches. It can also be ordered for right or left side placement. Note that the motorized wand does not sync with smart home technology, the 15-channel remote, or the 15-channel wall switch, and is only available for fabric, solar, and banded roller shades, and sheer shadings. In addition to these great solutions, LEVOLOR also has multiple options when it comes to charging. Micro USB and magnetic charging come standard, but for those looking for even more convenience, we also offer a solar charging panel. This easy-to-install accessory has a low-profile design and uses the power of the sun to provide continuous charge to the blind or shade. Simply connect the panel using the included 59-inch micro USB cord, mount it to the inside of the window, and forget about it. The solar charging panel provides a continuous charge year-round for true peace of mind, and is great for hard-to-reach windows. It can also be synced with the LEVOLOR InMotion app to see battery level, and is compatible with all LEVOLOR motorized product categories. We recommend that 1 solar panel per product is ordered. Note that this is not recommended for north-facing windows, and it's not compatible with the LEVOLOR InMotion wand accessory. So that's it. As you can see, LEVOLOR is a great choice for all things motorization. From simplified operation to advanced smart home automation, LEVOLOR has it covered.